Weird noise coming from right here where the school's at. I don't see nobody. You hear that? And there's nobody there. Like, nobody. This is crazy. See, the closer you get, the louder it gets. It's right there, somewhere right there where the light's on. I don't know what it is, but it was making an ugly noise. And I'm at Cunningham Middle School, right in front. I don't know what that noise was. This is like the area that it was coming from. But I don't hear anything anymore. It was like a lady yelling, screaming. You hear it? You hear that? And there's nobody over there. I walked all the way to half of that. Halfway. What is going on? This is tripped out. It is 12:44 a.m. right now. Saturday morning. And I'm off of Prescott. Cunningham Middle School. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's freaking me out.